Good day YouTube. This is just a bit of a quick video to show you guys how to stop Windows 10 from accessing your calendar information for all sorts of apps, all sorts of things there. So I'll show you how to do that. First of all, go to the start menu and type in calendar and then privacy settings, so calendar privacy settings. Then let that one load that up there, and you can see mine's on at the moment, but it's off for apps, so it can be off or on, toggled on or off on an app basis, or it can be toggled off in total. I might recommend off in total, just in case, unless you use it for something or many things specific all the time, but it just does help with your maintaining your privacy, that kind of thing there. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is how to stop Windows 10 from accessing your calendar information in the operating system. So thanks for your time. Please leave a comment, subscribe, hit that like button. Thanks for all of your help. Thanks for all of your support, and do continue to subscribe. And I'd hope to hear you on this from you on this one and the next one. So cheers, guys. Hope you've enjoyed.